Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the day 9 of PW Ramadan Kids Series. Today, Qirat will be presented by Syed Zayan. Qirat with translation will be presented by Abdul Razzaq Mohammed. Naat will be presented by Khadijah Noorain, and a brilliant speech by Raheem Faruqi on the topic Leadership of Hazrat Umar bin Al-Khattab Raziyallahu Anhu.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا صدق الله العظيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عما يتساءلون عن النبأ العظيم الذي هم فيه مختلفون كلا سيعلمون ثم كلا سيعلمون ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا والجبال أوتادا وخلقناكم أزواجا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا وجعلنا الليل لباسا وجعلنا نهارا معاشا وبنينا فوقكم سبعا شدادا وجعلنا سراجا وحاجا صدق الله العظيم. About what are they asking one another? About the great news that over which they are in disagreement. No, they are going to know. Then no, they are going to know. Have we not made the earth a resting place and the mountain as streets? And we created you in pairs and made your sleep, I mean for rest, and made your night as clothing and made the day for livelihood and constructed above the 7 strong heavens and made a burning lamp. Jazakallah khair. तेरे सदके में आका सारे जहाँ को दीन मिला बेदीनों ने कलमा पढ़ा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह हस्बी रब्बी जल्लल्लाह माफी क़ल्बी गैरुल्लाह नूर मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाह ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह अपनी बहन से बोले उमर ये तो बता क्या करती थी मेरे आने से पहले क्या छुपके पढ़ती थी अपनी बहन से बोले उमर ये तो बता क्या करती थी मेरे आने से पहले छुपके पढ़ती थी बहन ने जब कुरान पढ़ा सुन के कलाम पाके खुदा दिल उमर का बोल उठा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह हस्बी रब्बी जल्लल्लाह माफी क़ल्बी गैरुल्लाह नूर मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाह ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह जज़ाकल्लाह खैर.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Michael Lechard, in his book The 100, a ranking of the most influential persons in history, ranked our Prophet Muhammad to lead the list, and Umar bin Khattab was ranked 52nd on the list. He was ranked higher than Julius Caesar. Born and brought up in Makkah, Umar bin Khattab was one of the strongest enemies of Islam before accepting it. The second Khalifa of Islam, his personality was characterized by courage, bravery, understanding of matters, and leadership skills. And today I, Ahmad Abdur Faruqi, will be talking about the leadership of Hazrat Umar bin Khattab. His period of Khilafat lasted for approximately 10.5 years. And during this period, he established several sections, institutions, and departments. The administrative structure he set up consisted of a judiciary system in which everyone was treated equally. Qazis or the judges were appointed, courts were set up, and the cases were decided in the light of the Quran and the Sunnah. Unbiased justice was the hallmark of his era. He set up Majlis of Shura, and the principle of Shura was promoted. Everyone was involved in the decision-making process. The task of this particular Majlis was to deal with all small and important matters of day-to-day life. Haz Umar was of the opinion that there is nothing good in a decision taken without consultation. A single individual opinion is like a thread. Two like interwoven threads, and three can never be broken. Young people were also involved in the decision-making process. And Hazrat Umar encouraged his military commanders to do shura, that is consultation before making a war plan. He practiced a very strict system of accountability. Every person was accountable for the task given and for the order passed. Rules were made not meant to be broken but to be followed. And the ones who broke it were punished. The police department was set up. And although at that time they were called ahdat, they prevented reduction in weights and measurements, stopped sale of alcohol, and prevented overloading of animals. MashaAllah, both human as well as animal rights were taken care of. Prisons were established, military institutions were set up, and Baitul Mal or the treasury was set up. Irrigation and canal systems were established. The Saad Canal and the famous Amir al-Mu'minin Canal that connects the Nile to the Red Sea was established during his time. And last but not the least, after establishing all these system structures and institutions, he did not take a back seat and relax. Instead, he kept monitoring the people he had appointed and his system. He used to patrol and visit houses of Muslims and the marketplace in disguise so as to know what are the problems that are faced by his people. He took care of the orphans, looked after their properties, and even developed them. He put his people before them and he made sure that they got everything before even he has access to it. Such was his mode of leadership, and his leadership was made a beacon of light for the rulers of every age. And I am sure if we were to revive his mode of leadership even today, the Muslims will be far ahead of anyone else. Biiznillah. Thank you.